Alright guys, so since we've gone out now, we've found a bunch of pages, we've gone out and liked them all on complete automation. I'll just refresh this here so you can see. And so these different pages we've gone out and liked, literally on complete autopilot. We're now going to go ahead and start posting in all these groups. So what we can do, for example, we can either post a text message to these groups, we can use a single text message like I would love to connect with like-minded tennis players. Hit start if I'm happy with the delay settings and whatnot. But in this case, what we'll do, just to show you how we can do it the opposite way, if we want to load multiple comments to go out randomly on each single page, even though they might all be saying the same thing, it's a good idea, I personally think, to change it up, make it random, make it unique for each comment so it looks a lot more natural, so it doesn't come across as spammy to anyone else if they're a member of multiple Facebook pages, and to Facebook themselves. So again, obviously, people don't want spammy comments and whatnot going on everywhere, so there's a right and a wrong way to use this feature. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of people saying, "Oh, I use this wrong," and why isn't it working? It's because you're spamming everyone. So don't spam people. So in saying that, let's just open up text edit here, and what we're going to do is load multiple comments. So I've written a few out here. So connect with me if you like tennis. Tennis fans, I'd love to connect with you. I'm very passionate about tennis. Would love to connect with you also. Who's your favorite player? You can see these type of comments are really just starting a conversation, which is the best way I find to not only grow Facebook pages, groups, whatnot, but to create a relationship and then in the end, obviously create a customer, which is what we're all trying to do. Yes, you can definitely go out and spam all these different pages with a website link and an offer. And you might get some hits, but you might get a lot of angry people. I personally prefer the first option where you create the relationship. I love creating relationships, and you never know who you're going to come across ever. So when you start doing updates like this that are very generic but very caring, I guess, you're going to get a much stronger response. So let's just do a few more. Who is going to the and what age did you start playing tennis? All right, so we'll save these. We'll save it to that folder we had before, tennis. Comments, we'll hit save. We'll click out of this. All right guys, just had a really quick technical glitch there, but what we'll just do it again real quick here. We're going to post a text message. We're going to load in our messages, tennis, fan pages, comments. We're then going to load in our fan page URLs, which we've got here from previously, the ones we've liked, the 17 pages. We're then just going to hit start, and it's going to go out and start commenting on all of those different fan pages. So as you can see here, it's posted one already to this fan page here. It's now delaying 11 seconds, and it'll go out and post on the secondary fan page as well with the second comment here. It tells you what comment, it tells you where it's posted it to. If I refresh this here, you can see here as well, it's now commenting live on all of these different fan pages. And that's a really good way to start interacting on a bunch of different pages that you normally wouldn't have the time to go out and do this all day. And you can see the power of this when you have a lot of pages you've liked or that you want to interact with. It's a very, very powerful tool. So pretty cool there. So, all right, guys, so let's now do the exact same thing as what we just did, except let's post an image instead of text. Oh, actually, if we wanted, we can just post the image by itself, but most people will want to post an image with some text in the update as well, which is what I'll show you how to do now. We're going to hit post images. We can either load a folder full of images. which will then go out and post whatever order the images are in every single Facebook group, the way it's set up there, just like it does with the comments. This will make things look more organic, more natural, which is always good because I guess people will go out and spam the same banner in every single group and whatever. But this is a good way to split test your banners, split test your images, see what people like and interact with over other things. But also, depending on what it is you're posting, in this case, we're just asking people who their favorite tennis player is and whatnot. So I'm just going to upload a picture of Federer, a single image here. I'm going to hit go to desktop. I've saved a photo of Roger Federer here. We're then going to load our messages as we did before. We're then going to load the fan page URLs. And then all we need to do from here is hit start, and it's as simple as that. It'll log in, it'll say start image upload with the username. And it's now uploaded that image with the username there. And I'll just pause it here rather than uploading this to everywhere. And we'll refresh our activity log. And you can see here, tennis fans, I'd love to connect with you with a picture of Roger Federer, which is pretty cool. So you can see that's as easy as it is. So what I'm going to do now is pause it and we'll move on to the next video. All right, see you guys soon.